What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some more dreaded maintenance on the C6 Corvette behind me. It's a 2011 Grand Sport and we are going to be doing rear brake pads and rotors because it is squeaking all the time, which is super annoying and a car like this shouldn't be. Some new rotors, fantastic looking. But then this car, since it has the bigger optioned brakes, has actually 8 rear brake pads. We got some new hardware as well. And we're going to be replacing everything. Now thankfully I have a 2-post hoist, which makes this a lot easier. However, it's still a low car, so I have to run it up on ramps every single time and put 2x4s, and it's a super fun process. But it's up, it's set up, so we can go on up with it. Here, I'm just gonna take some brake fluid out of the master cylinder here because we're up at the top of the max level, so when I push in those calipers or turn them, it's gonna overfill. Now we can take the tire off and then take this caliper off. There's a couple bolts in the backside there, and then we'll be able to service them. Grab your 21 and pop these 2 off. You can see why these things were making some noise. They're super thin. Now that the pads are all out, we can take the caliper here and all those little pistons, there's 4 of them. We're just gonna go ahead and use our handy little caliper spreader tool, stick it in here and open them up. Now when these guys are all the way pushed back, you'll be able to see they're nice and just about flush in there on both sides. Now we can put the hardware back in and put the pads in. And there you are. They all sit inside, and then these go on the trailing side, so it will be on the bottom, running forward. Pads are in. Now to get the rotors off, we're just going to softly hit them with a hammer. Parking brake set. All done. Now we grab our hardware and we're just going to slide this caliper right onto the new rotor. Bam! That side's done. Now we just do the whole entire process again on the passenger side. Driver's side. Now you can actually see through the rotors again, which is good because now the gases that are made up when you're actually braking, yes, this does happen, can escape. These old ones, you can see 2 open holes here. These 3 are all completely plugged up. That's plugged up. And then some more are open, some more are plugged up. Brake pads themselves were very thin, but now the car shouldn't be doing any more squeaking or anything like that. Next up, we just have to check the brake fluid, top that off. Then after the brake fluid's all good, gonna just check the pedal, make sure that's in a good place. Just gonna have to pump it up slowly, wait a few seconds, only go maybe half a pedal stroke each time. Double check our brake fluid, then we have to do the brake-in process. Under the hood, we're gonna take our .3 here and put some fresh fluid in here. Nice. Got the brake fluid all topped off. Now we're going to just slowly pump the brake pedal just about halfway with the engine off. This is just so that those calipers themselves can just kind of compress a little bit so you have good pedal feel and they'll seat properly. Oh. Goodness gracious. Back under the hood, we're just gonna double check our fluid, make sure we're right about at the max mark, which we are. And everything is looking good so far. Brake fluid looked good. That's all I got for this car so far. All I'm gonna do is torque the wheels and then go have some fun. The actual brake-in procedure is a firm stop from about 30 miles an hour all the way to 0 miles an hour about 20 times, and that's enough to heat cycle it a little bit and seat everything properly. So that's all that's left. Overall, super simple. Can't believe how cheap brakes actually were for this car with it having specialty brakes on it. But yeah, if this video helped you out or you enjoyed it or you just want to help a guy out, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you guys next time.